Ready? Start. It needs no reiteration that once reservation is provided by the notification dated 19 to 2019 in the state services and subordinate services by amending all the service rules under proviso to Article 309 of the Constitution of India, the said reservation becomes statutory and has to be implemented by the state government. Stop. This court has to examine whether the state government, while issuing letter dated 23/6/2019, has committed error while implementing the statutory reservation of EWS, which was extended to all the state and subordinate services with effect from 19 to 2019. Stop. Para. In later oblique order dated 23/6/2019 sent by the Department of Personnel to the Secretary RPSC and Secretary Rajasthan Staff Selection Board, Jaipur, it was provided that so far as the MBC reservation is concerned, since there were already applicants who had applied for 1% reservation which was already existing, the notification dated 13 to 2019 increasing the reservation to 5% was directed to be implemented on the pending recruitments. Stop. It further states that where the examination has already been declared, then in such pending selections, in order that no loss is caused to any other category of candidates, 4% additional posts for MBC shall be created and the concerned finance department shall conduct exercise for creation of such additional posts, and in those recruitments, where no examination has been conducted, reservation for 5% for MBC in terms of the notification dated 13 to 2019 and 10% reservation for EWS in terms of notification dated 19 to 2019 shall be provided. Stop. For the said purpose, a revised division of posts shall be carried out by the concerned administrative department and sent to the recruiting agency. Stop. For the said purpose, all category of candidates shall be allowed to move fresh applications and the eligibility shall also be considered accordingly, meaning thereby those candidates who have already applied shall be allowed to make fresh applications or their pending applications may be considered. Stop. Those candidates who were already eligible under the earlier applications would be treated to be eligible under the new corrigendum also. Stop. As per clause C, it has been further provided that those candidates who had applied earlier and have become eligible for benefit of EWS category under the notification dated 19 to 2019 need not apply again, and such candidates who have already applied earlier would be given opportunity to submit the EWS certificate. Stop. The creation of the additional posts for MBC was sanctioned by the Finance Department.